Blessed love, everyone. This is DJ Blue. As usual, for you see the ugly face and the muddy hairstyle, you know what go on. You understand me? I say, yeah, man, I have to apologize for not doing any video for the past few weeks, but we have been, and also we haven't been live for the past few weeks, but we have been changing location and studio. So you have to give us some time to get back up and running as it is supposed to be. But welcome again to my opinions. Yeah, that's something I got. My opinion. Um, some opinions can be fact, and some opinions can just be a flipping opinion. You understand me? But today's opinion is the illusion of independence, the illusion of free people. Because I don't want to use the word freedom, because if I am a free man, I'm not dumb. Understand? So I don't want to use the word freedom. Um, now, there's a lot of things going around out there about supporting ourselves, and this Africa one also, and the rest of the Caribbean, and all of the people that were supposed to come together and do the right thing. But I'm going to focus on Jamaica itself, yeah. And I don't want anyone to, well, if you want to get upset, but this is not to get you upset if I say I'm focusing on Jamaica, because all of us have to focus on the place we're from. I am African, but I'm also Jamaican. I've never been to Africa yet. Soon. But Africa, the Africans now have to focus on getting their things right, because we don't want to focus on two things at the same time. You understand me? Now, the Jamaicans, which are also Africans, don't get me wrong, have to focus on getting Jamaica right. Now, I did a previous video on this already, and you cannot sell what you don't own. Yeah, and a lot of people don't get it. No, let me say it again to you. Yeah, you never own the sugar plantation. You never own Jamaica Airline. You never own none of the stuff them that makes Jamaica money in Jamaica. Jamaicans don't own it. Do the check. I'm not going to check for you, because you have got to check for yourself. Yeah, maybe a Jamaican looking person is at the front of it, but a Jamaican doesn't own it. So the money doesn't stay where it's supposed to stay and do what it is supposed to do. The money leaves. That's why you have poverty, and a great deal of poverty. Now, the illusion of this freedom, this independence, and all of them stuff, all of the countries in the world, yeah, that are named first world country, them control every single thing they have for themselves. All of them owe a next country, them make a deal of to pay them. You understand me? Jamaica owns nothing at all. Not even themselves will not own. But the illusion is that we do. And we are so proud of what we don't own. No, what are we going to do about it? I started to you call it something again. I started to organize um, a company at one point, and to see if we can get together with a few Jamaicans, yeah, and lift this out of the ground and start helping and showing the faults in the system, and try and make sure younger youth don't make the same mistake of this illusion thing, right? And before it got off the line of the ground, people decided to jump ship, which is okay, because I don't think we should sit and talk and talk and talk and talk. We should act, because if simple way to put it, the man that robbed you, the man that wronged you will not help you. Yeah? He will pretend, and he will do everything to make you think he might help you. But he's not helping you. A man will come to shoot you. Yeah? rob what you have and take what you have. He don't have no intention to help you. He have intention to help himself. And this we not understand at all time. We cannot look to the people and we prove to themselves, we prove to we 1,000 times that they don't care about us or like us. For help, and that we always do, we have to help with self. And when we talk about self, we are talking about not just me, myself, we are talking about us as one. Jamaican, look out for your brother and sister. I never grew up in them days where they're going to tell you that the norm was to look out for your brothers and sisters. I never grew up in them days then. Yeah? You hear about it where a community raise a child. But nowadays, everybody is for themselves and what they can get. And being like that is just going to save you as a one person. You sit beside one of them and you feel like you're accepted, but you're not. Because when you leave, them talk about it just the same. And you're always going to be the baggage boy. You understand me? Why pressure and look respect from who don't respect you or love you? Yeah? Look respect. You don't need respect. You just need what is yours and equal rights. Because if I own this pen, you don't come bad me up, take on my pen, and then charge me to use the pen. You know, so I go on. Now, let's go further on in this thing now. The illusion that we're free, we're not free. Illusion that we are independent, we're not independent. Yeah, the illusion that we're not under the colonial system, just the same, we are still under it. Everything that makes money in Jamaica is not owned by Jamaica. You understand me? The government, is still not Jamaica. You understand me? And when people talk about them stuff and them kill them or them try to assassinate them, when we see some white people come and say, oh, we want to help, how do you help us? How do you help us? Look at it. Tell your brother and sister them to stop. Go march now on the street. Tell them to stop. Tell them say no want no more. Tell them say leave the island, the gold and everything in Africa, make them and buy it from them. If you want people to stop come to your country, yeah, and come be immigrants or these niggers coming into your country or these whatever you want to call them, stop taking their resources. You own all of their resources. And not willfully, you didn't get them willfully, no one gave it to you. You killed and took it, yeah? And then you complain about immigrants coming to your country and come use it. So if you want help, give back the people them stuff. Now, the illusion is so great that the illusion is so great that a lie is better than the truth. Yeah? And a lot of people here, I spoke to a few people sometime and them said, Blue, don't say this and don't say that. But it's in my head, man. And me not really do good with if I think about one thing too much time. I don't want to have a headache and I speak my mind. If you don't like it, it's okay. Yeah? Because why should you be free and I cannot be free? Yeah? Why are you selling me the idea of freedom? Yeah? Once I be your slave, just the same. You don't get it. Slavery has turned around into something that is, I should do it and I should do it gladly. You understand me? Because I have my house. I live in my country. Yeah. And I cannot make a better person of myself in my country. I only can become a criminal in my country because of people making sure that happens. When me hear some people sit down and talk about like, yeah, criminal this, yeah, we have a problem with criminals. But you don't know what create criminals. Yeah? You don't know what create criminals. You never did in the same system. And the only way you get out to try to make a little bit of money now, yeah? A little bit of money for kind of really relax a little bit and kind of take a breath, you know? And when you leave, you turn your back because you're like, but then You have faced so much struggles where you are, yeah, and you're not really wanted. But every time a struggling Jamaican run, play football or do something, you want to own the name Jamaica. But otherwise, you don't want to own the name. I don't like it. I don't like it. Now, continue upon that. You have to take Jamaica for everything what them do, the good and the bad. Yeah? Germany do it. Germany are still Germany. Ireland are still Ireland. France and Italy are still Italy. Look how much things them do. America, England, them are still America, England. No much things them do to honor and them honor love. Illusion is great. And every time someone try to change it, them get rid of us. I get rid of the person that is trying to make the biggest change. Now, have you ever looked at it and say, yeah, Vibes Cartel, the only man in Jamaica where really did start and say, yo, alcohol for him, for Jamaica, Vibes on, right? That was a big problem. When I look about on the part of people that talk about crime and stuff with Vibes Cartel, yeah? Me don't know about that. I wasn't there, me can't tell about it. Me no police, me never no witness, me no business about that. Him a go fix anything and free cartel. You understand me? Now, cartel did one of the most powerfulest thing by creating a liquor, yeah, a alcohol, and their own thing. When you not see it, just breathe for a while. Now, all the rum, the alcohol, the, whatever you drink at Jamaica, who makes it? Where is it from? This is my challenge to you. Everything where you're proud of, where you go, oh, Jamaica, this are the best. Yes, it might be the best, but you don't make money from it. Really and truly, you don't own it. It's not yours. It has never been yours. But you're proud of what is not yours. So it's like we're a proud nation of people's things. They have it illegally, they never give it back over. They never hand back over everything. They never do what they're supposed to do. But we are proud of that and we spend millions, billions, trillions of dollars every year. We even buy it and can't come for it and say, oh, Jamaica rum, this one, the best rum. Oh, they can't talk to me. 100%. I'll me too, before me didn't know. We spend so much money. And they're so happy, like, you know, the rich laugh. A Santa laugh that a rich laugh. But the rich laugh. Yeah, because we're stupid. We're not stupid, we're misinformed. And the people them that are informed now are stupid if they still continue with it. But how can you not continue if we don't have or start to create our own alcohol beverages or our own stuff like them? Look on it. Jamaica government will give the Chinese access in their country 5 years or 10 years, whatever time. I'm going to check about it on myself. Tax free to develop them business in Jamaica. And a lot of these businesses are supermarkets. But he would not give support or endorse a small man who wants to start something like even a supermarket, going and make him build up the supermarket, right? Make him build up something. He might a little shop in the community. You understand? You give a Chinese man 5 years or more to make sure that man business have a shut down. Now tell me how Jamaica is run by Jamaicans. It's not been run by Jamaicans. A Jamaican is the puppet at the front. All I want to know that. Now, the challenge from me to most of the people that can really, because I can do a little, but me can influence a lot. Yeah. My challenge is to the people that are really making money from a few stuff that we can make money from. You said both. The challenge to you. Why I understand that you make money through Pluma, through Nike, through all of them. But why not create a shoes for yourself? I make you buy Usain Bolt shoes. I make you build Usain, we build the brand Usain Bolt. Usain, think about that. Why not make we buy Usain Bolt shoes, which is a Jamaican, a struggling Jamaican. Make we buy a Usain Bolt shoes, yeah? Not a Pluma or a Nike. You understand me? Sizzler, Beanie Man, Bunty, Sean Paul, Shaggy. Talk to me. I want to try figure this out. Bob Marley whole foundation, Junior Gang, all of uno. Why uno no set up bomb and start build some brands? Yeah, because uno name big enough. Uno align on yourself with a lot of different brands. Uno align on yourself with a lot of different brands. When you start build some brand for yourself. Yeah, remember the Black Wall Street in America. Make we not try build up Black Wall Street in Jamaica. So everything that's supposed to make the money, the liquor, the alcohol, yeah, them stuff here. Even I'm gonna touch on next part, I think again, the illusion again, right? Now look on it. Weed has been illegal all long. Much people that are prison for all one little spliff of weed that gun. But they on the road with them, my virgin one there, yeah. Yeah, you know the old man car me have to thief sometime and drive out and go link all the dog and say, come on, yo. And me I move from one location to the other location. Yeah. I'm there and reach a part of Portmore and you understand me? Police jump out and yo, come out of car, ray. Them see the Rasta man, them say, Rasta? Me just want to see have a seed. And the man, yo, literally the man them hold the Rasta and shake him like so. And when not even a cent no drop out time lock side, nothing no come out, nothing. You see me? Them say no Rasta man. The Rasta they have a white girl on the back. Be my wife. You see me? Them say no Rasta. You must have something. Them say come in Ivan. You understand me? And them drive around with the Rasta about for 6 hours. And when they don't drive on the Rasta, they amount of credit you have to buy give them. You understand me? So now weed legalized now. My point is who owns the weed shop them? Where them people are come from? And this is the next thing I say. Everybody just glad again say, oh, weed legalized, them not see the point of the thing. What the artists them we are fight for weed legalization? Why two of them not come together and say, oh, 5 million for the license? How much for the license? Can they make the license to get this weed thing so expensive? Say, oh, the man them where you lock up for the weed all long can't afford to get the license. So you make sure so them can't still make no money. You get what I'm saying? You do not see the problem yet. Check all of them little dispensary you know, have them at Jamaica where you sell weed now. Who own them? Who really own them? Who should have them little money have $5 million for do it? The next illusion again. I don't want to own it again, see me. Artists and the man them make money. You don't think so you can make money off of weed too. I own the dead and get lock up feet and all kind of stuff feet. And I own a preach over it most time. You know. Me can't do it, me not $5 million. The little man we are planning to win now $5 million. So guess what? I can stop talking. No? The man them have strength. 1 and 2 man when start owning something please. I beg you now. And I can stop the illusion. And stop buy from the man them on the no son of phone place. Stop support them Chinese boy and on the no son of phone one. Because of this why the money now stay. Remember, you know, if you never know this, yeah? Them print a certain amount of money. And this is how you calculate your wealth. You know. The money must circulate. You know, if you print extra money, because the money have a devalue. Don't print extra money. I same amount of money you're supposed to have. So now, if you know, right, have $100 we're supposed to circulate in the country and keep the wealth in the country and keep the wealth and go around and make sure you say no, say all right, everything good pan the level this, all right? If you take it 60 and $70 out of that money and give to outside sources, the Chinese, them, the Americans, and the English, and everybody where they there, I do like this, I go on, you know, because them put people in place, you know, them open the business and put people in place, you know, yeah, and them a take the money. You have $30 left. That can't run the country. That cannot run the country. You cannot run the country. Them weed place that them and them all of them stuff here, youth. All of them stuff here. It a cause a problem. And then when people sit down and talk all kind of things like, oh, these youngsters don't want to. Because them not have the opportunity to. Most of them have 6Cs, most of them have subject, most of them come out of school, bright youths. Most of them in the prison are bright youths. But there's nothing for them to do more than go rob. If you're back a rat in the wall, in one corner, right? The rat are going to see one way out in and a through you, you know. So this is a problem. Let's break this illusion. Yeah, have a meaningful conversation. Challenges to the artists them, because of them really. I'm not gonna say, I have to understand, I'm not bash nobody in, brother. I'm not come after nobody. You understand me? Because at the end of the day, why I say the artists them? Yeah, because them know the real struggle, and them know the thing, and some of them I come from nowhere. I correct that. The place where them I come from, them wish them have come from somewhere better. So them set them horizon to somewhere better. You understand me? So now you know the struggle, you know the pain. You understand me? My challenge is to you guys is to open a few of them weed shop here. Come out, do like what Vibes Cartel do. No found him even not like him. You understand me? But that's another point. Create an alcohol, make a bite. Create an alcohol, make a bite. And let's stop buying other people's stuff. The insurance company that were there in Jamaica, it's not ours. The banking system where they are Jamaica and a free banking system just the same. None of the structures that are there are not ours. The hotel where we are, say, yo, Jamaica hotel and everything, and we own them. So on a nice Jamaicans will go a foreign to make on a nice, lovely money by almost killing half on yourself. Isn't it? Willing slaves. We are willing slaves, huh? We'll kill half ourselves to make some money. I want to say when I go back to Jamaica, when you want to go on the white sands, of course you can go on the white sands. You want to go sandals. We don't own sandals. We don't own none of these places. But there you want to go spend your money. You know, see the thing. The little man, we have a little bamboo hut, you know. If you help him, I go stay 2 nights in the bamboo hut, you know, one. You know, so by 2 years and him set up a man, fix up everything. Next year in the bamboo hut, you know. Next year, a little concrete him have. And 4 years down the line, him have 2-story. 6 years down the line, it got bigger. Say, oh, you remember when we used to come by your place, bossy? I say, yes. Remember this, man. That's how we have to do it. From the shed to the block, or from the shed to the board to the block, to a mansion. But we have to support we. What do you think about that? Leave your opinions below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Team Blue Entertainment. Don't forget to follow me on also Facebook, Team Blue Entertainment. We have 2 pages. Get yourself a merch. Do the right thing, you understand me? And just support the thing and support the dream and the idea, right? Own more of what we buy. Support more of our people. You see, Clarks make the most money out of black people. You know why? Because we buy it. And you know what them do? They make sure say, yo, we love it. And once we love it, then put the ball of them want to buy it. The ball of them, athletes them. Make we own a shoes company for yourself, no man. Make me be proud and say, you say, Bolt shoes, Bolt. You say, you have it yet? Go in a liquor. I don't know if you have your shoes yet, because you support Plume and all of them. If you have your own brand, and you could buy it, some Bolt t-shirt, and make it make money. And you have your name and money, Bolt. Shellian, your name and money. Your work feet, your name and money. Spice, see how do your thing, Spice. Ladies, this Gucci this and this Gucci that. Spice. You understand me? Spice. Spice. Our Dior, What's spice the name again? Support it. And that will fear do. Next time, just leave a comment and don't forget to hit the subscription. You know the little button over there, so do that something there and do some like and do some comment. And see you the next time, same place, people are gone.